Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Last video we have discussed about current. What is meant by current? The rate of flow of electrons through per unit second in a conductor is called current. After that we have discussed electric potential. When a charge bring from infinite distance to at a point is called electric potential. After that we have discussed potential difference. When a charge coming from one point to another point, the difference between the potential difference in the 2 points is called electric potential. So in this lecture we have discussed about circuit diagram. Circuit diagram is a graphical representation of the electrical circuit. We have seen the number of circuit diagrams in homes and hospitals. So the basic circuit diagram is a graphical representation of the electric circuit. Circuit diagram is used for the circuit design, construction and maintenance of the electrical and electronic equipment. So circuit diagram we are used as generally electrical equipment. These electrical equipments are connected one to another. So that is in the systematic way. So that is called a circuit diagram. These are the some commonly used components in the circuit diagrams. So serial number, components, symbols. So first of all, in electrical circuit we used the electrical cell. Electrical cell consists of positive and negative charge. Positive is always represented the large line. Negative is always represented the small line. Battery. Battery is also called as combination of the cells. In the first component we have to see this is a one cell. Combination means we are taking the number of cells connected in series combination. Further we have discussed about series combination. Series combination means connected one by one, side by side. So positive, negative, this is the symbol of the battery, this is the symbol of the cell. Plug key. Plug key generally used as to control the electrical circuit flow of electrons in its circuit. So plug key, it is also called as switch. What is the use of the switch? It is used to control the flow of electrons in a conductor. This is the symbol of the switch. It is open. Open means it does not allow the flow of electrons through them. Plug key, it is switch closed. It is open. What is the main difference between two these? Dot. So when we place the dot, it is closed switch. When it is not placed when we are not placed the dot, this is open. So this is the closed switch, this is the open switch. Closed switch can be used to closed switch is used to allow the flow of electrons in the circuit. A wire joint. Generally a number of wires are joining in the electrical circuit. This is the joining symbol. So this symbol shows the joining of the one or more wires, more than one wires. Wire crossing without joint. Next. So when two wires are connecting without joint by crossing. Next symbol, electrical bulb. Electric bulb, generally it is one of the component in the electrical circuit. So this is the symbol of the electrical bulb. Next component, resistance of the resistor of resistance R. So resistor, this is the symbol of the resistor. Every conductor has some resistance power. So what is meant by resistor? So resistance is a device which can be used to control the flow of electrons in a circuit through the conductor. So variable resistance, this is the symbol of the variable resistance. So variable resistance means it consists of the number of 1 ohm, 2 ohm, 3 ohms are the variable resistance. Rheostat. Rheostat is a device which can be used to increase or decrease current in the circuit. Next, ammeter. Ammeter, this is the basic symbol of the ammeter. Ammeter can be used to measure the current in the electric circuit. Voltmeter. Voltmeter is a device which can be used to measure the potential difference of the conductor. Next very important topic, Ohm's law. If the potential difference across the two terminals of the wire, I am taking here wire as a conductor. What is meant by conductor? A substance which can allow the flow of electrons through them, that is called a conductor. I am taking the wire as a conductor. It has two terminals of the potential difference V, and flowing through the current in the wire is I. According to Ohm's law says that potential difference of a conductor V is directly proportional to current flowing through the conductor. V is directly proportional to I, where V is potential difference, I is current. Potential difference of the conductor is directly proportional to current flowing through the conductor. This is the wire of points X, Y. So potential difference of the wire is V. It has flowing the current I. So V is directly proportional to I. This is called proportionality symbol. Proportionality means, suppose potential difference in a conductor is increases, current is also increases automatically. If current is decreases, potential difference of a conductor is also decreases. So that is called proportionality symbol. Whenever we have to remove the proportionality constant by substituting of some constant, or V equal to Ra, where R is called proportionality constant, is known as resistance of the conductor. So I am taking a simple circuit to understand the Ohm's law. This is the conductor, XY conductor of resistance R. Conductor connected series to the ammeter, parallel to the voltmeter, to measure the current by using the ammeter, to measure the potential difference in circuit by using the voltmeter. So if the conductor is connected to the positive of the conductor is connected to the number of cells, I am taking the 1, 2, 3, 4 cells connected side by side. So this is called a battery. It works as a battery. Battery has positive terminal, negative terminal. Its potential of the each cell is V. Negative terminal of the battery is connected to the plug key. What is use of the plug key? Plug key is used to control the flow of electrons into the conductor. So ammeter, voltmeter. I am drawing on table. In the table consists of serial number of cells used in this circuit, current, potential difference, R equal to V by R. I am using the Ohm's law. V equal to IR, R equal to V by I. First of all, I am taking the only one cell of the battery. Only I am connecting this conductor to only one cell. In that situation, I am noted some observations. When we are connecting one cell in the circuit, I am noted the current as 0.1 ampere, potential difference 0.4. When I am connected the two cells to the conductor, in that situation, I am noted current is 0.2 ampere, potential difference is 0.8 ampere. Next I am connecting 3 cells, 1, 2, 3 cells to the conductor. In that situation, I am noted the observations. Current is 0.3, potential is 1.2. Now I am connecting the 1, 2, 3, 4 cells to the conductor. In that situation, I am noted observations through current and potential by using the ammeter voltmeter in the circuit. Ammeter shows the reading 0.4 ampere. Potential difference shows the 1.6 volts. So by using the Ohm's law formula, V equal to IR, R equal to V by I am calculated the R value 4 when connected the one cell. When connected two cells, resistance is 4 ohms. When I am connected 3 cells, I am getting the resistance 4 ohms. When I am connected 4 cells, I am getting the 4 ohms the resistance value. So resistance R is constant. When I am increase the current 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, potential difference 0.4, 0.8, 1.2, 1.6 automatically increases. When I is increases, potential difference is increases, resistance R is remains constant. So that is the Ohm's law. Now I am draw the graph, x-axis, y-axis. Along x-axis I am taking the I value. Along y-axis I am taking the V value, potential difference, current. I am achieve the graph as a straight line. So this is the Ohm's law. When current is increases in the conductor, potential difference is also increases, but resistance is remains constant because resistance of the conductor is remains constant. Thank you.